I want to show you today, I just got the Aer Travel Pack 3 with the X-Pak, and we're going to open the box up and show you what we have. So, flip this over, this opened up, got the tape off. Pretty excited about this. So, besides the actual Travel Pack 3, I also got the rain cover, which we're going to take a look at here a little bit later. Comes in this little pouch. We'll look at that in a minute. And I also got the hip pads that we can put on there, and we'll attach that as part of our video. So we'll look at that also in a minute. Let's just get right now to the box. This is the travel pack. It comes in there. It's pretty small. Inside the box, I've got a, looks like they also include information about, it's a thank you card, and there's some information about doing returns. So I'll set that down. They gave me a nice sticker that I can put on something. I'll set that there. And then this looks like their fall winter 2022 catalog. It's kind of, looks like it's printed on some kind of newsprint or something. So I can look at that and crave all these other wonderful products that the good people over at Aer are designing. So we'll put that over there. Let's open this bag up and see what the actual pack looks like. So let's see here. This is the top. And we'll just kind of start here at the beginning. So first of all, there's a nice handle here on the top where you can carry the Aer Pack, the travel pack. And then I can see there's another one here on this side. And there's one on this side. And on the bottom, there's just a little strap right here. I'm not sure, I mean, you can still hang on to that if you want to, but it's not really a handle. It's just a little strap. I guess you could put something there. This looks like a little piece of rubber that feels kind of like a leather. Has their branding on it, and on the back it says designed in San Francisco. So here on the finish on this is just fantastic. This is supposed to be really waterproof, and the zippers, I don't know if it shows in the camera or not, but I can see that when the zipper opens and closes, there's like a material that seals over the zipper. So this is pretty water resistant. This isn't necessarily waterproof, but it's water resistant. But the zipper feels good. It feels like it opens good. Inside of here, there's this orange material, so you can kind of see the difference in your space. And then we have a loop here, so you can put your keys on there or something like that. Put it in there. That zips up. This is pretty big. You could put maybe an iPad might fit in there. I don't know if you'd want to put on your outside pocket. That's about how big it is. Here on these zippers on the top, these first two on the outside, and it looks like these big pockets, they actually have holes in them, so you can put a luggage lock on them. And so gives you a little bit of security if you have something valuable or important in there. You can lock that. You know, obviously if somebody takes your whole bag, you're kind of out of luck. But this first pocket on the outside, maybe before we open it, there's a little loop here and another loop here, so you can fasten something there. This opens up. This pocket goes all the way down here into the bottom. And if we start at the top, you can see there's this big opening here. Again, that goes about 3/4 of the way down in there. Wow, what could you fit in there? You could fit a laptop in there. Inside of here, we have a zip pocket. This is kind of a smaller pocket. You could put a little notebook or something in there, some documents, some sort of valuables or something in there. This black edge right here looks like you can hook pins in here. You could put laptop chargers or business cards. I've seen in some videos where people show this is a great place to put your earbuds. If you have some Apple earbuds or whatever you have there. There's another pocket. You can see that about fit my hand in there. You could put a couple cell phones or something that size. And there's still space here on the side. If we unzip and zip this guy up, you know, these zip smoothly. And if we open this, this looks like the big, kind of the main, maybe a main clothing pocket. This has this little pad on it. I'm not sure exactly what that's for, but it hides this little guy, which is a place you could put something like an air tag, so that if this gets lost, you can find it. A little bit of silica gel. And this pocket just stretches out. You can see that it has these straps on the side. These actually have a magnetic buckle on them. So if I undo that buckle, it lets these open up. Or, you know, I can adjust these so that when I load the bag, I can kind of pull it tight. Anyway, this is just one big spot. This looks like a great place to use some packing cubes or something like that. Then on this other side, what do we have here? Looks like there's a pocket on this edge. You can see that's just a huge, huge pocket in here. And then on the top of this, there's another pocket, and it has this stretchy material here. You can see there's a lot of great ways to organize your things. And then right here, it looks like I just found another little secret pocket. This might be a good place to put a wallet or some ID or maybe a passport or some travel plans or something if you need something that you don't want people to have access to. So this looks kind of like the main pocket here. So you need two hands to zip that up. Zip it back up here at the top. Let's see here. Here on the top, there's another little pocket. This has got fleece inside of it. It fits a big cell phone or some sunglasses or something like that right here in the top. And let's see, next, looks like the last pocket here. This one's kind of hard to see into. You can see it's got the Aer, designed in San Francisco, and the X-Pak. So the X-Pak has the orange material on the inside. The normal ones I think have a gray. And this is, let's see if this is as far as these go, these zippers go. They go a little bit lower. That's pretty much it. So you could fit a big laptop in here. This goes all the way down here. And then there's another great big huge pocket. So I guess some people put an iPad or something like that. And then here's another kind of a little hidden pocket here. So you could fit, you know, maybe your charger or again, some other cables or something that you'd want right there. Let's close that. And that gets us to the back of the pack. see how thick these pads are? You can stop it. So we come back to the back of the backpack, and these feel like they're metal on here. They look kind of plasticky, but they feel metal. There's this loop here, and then there's another loop here. There's only a couple loops on the whole exterior. Here's on the side, on this side, there's a water bottle zipper pouch, so you can kind of stretch that in there and then zip that up there to fit what you're doing. On this side, there's this zipper space, so you have things really quick access. These shoulder pads, these look really wide, and you can see there's this other shoulder, this material that goes against your back right here. There's something there, you can grab it by that space, and it cinches down here in the bottom. Let me just put it on real quick. So I'm about 5'9", so I'm going to tighten this top part to about where I think it needs to be. Then I can cinch this up on the bottom. It has this support across here. That can also be tightened up. So it's got a nice, comfortable fit. Fits good. Of course, I don't have anything in it, so that makes it really easy. It feels real comfortable. So let's put these hip pads on. Looks like they have a little hook on them and a little space here, so I'll just flip one into this loop, put that on there. That one's ready to go. And this guy will go over here. Clip it on. These are also made out of the same X-Pak material. So now when you have that on, you can tighten these guys. There's these here up on the top. You can get this cinched down really just about exactly how you want it. That clips in real nice. Pull them nice and tight. I can just feel this is going to be a wonderful thing. It's going to support easy. In fact, there's no weight now here at all. So I probably need to tighten that up a little bit. Make sure I'm distributing the weight good, but this just fits really, really nicely. Feels like it's be easy to carry around. The last thing is the waterproof cover for it. Let's take it out of its bag real quickly. And looks like it comes in a little pouch here. Let's see. How you can open that. There we go. Again, they've got some materials. How wonderful this is. Then there's another little pouch that this comes in. So I'm assuming it kind of folds in on itself somehow. So let's try to just make it pop out. There you go. Okay, it has some elastic here on this side. There's that little pouch, so looks like you can put some other stuff in there and keep it protected. And I'm guessing that this just kind of you can see that it's pretty wide right there. Looks like you can put that on your bag. I may have that upside down or whatever, and you're going to be really protected. And if you can still carry that around. So one last try here. You have your pack on. It's all covered. You can hike for a long time and not get your gear all wet. So that's the Aer Travel Pack 3.